Do all of you guys have sex toys?
Hayi.
No.
Mina mabela yangi.
Umshida uzongishela yabo. Ngimtshele mina ngithi cha angikho interested, like angikho interested ngishana boke. Yo, ngingikeli. Hawu netimo.
Itimo.
Siyaphusha vele. Hayi man, yabona man, isikhathi siyavaya. Angithi I can't do this anymore.
Like
bengishaya ingaza mina straight.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So amara no why I'm so bazongitshela ngeskate so ngayi. Ngcono ngayi hlalekile.
Mina ngithi manje nsapho ngifika ngathi enhlokweni akhambano nasani unamabele manje ucabanga ukuthi ucherry khambani nawo lekusingala
develop amabele like what are you doing? You guys start your menstruation cycle and everything. Ufila kanjani like how did you handle it? You understand? Hi guys, welcome to Easy on It with Sithole. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, press notification bell. Every time we drop anything, guys, you'll be notified, guys. Guys, we are blessed. We have the Tech Boys. Is it Tech Boys, ne? Yeah, Tech Boys are here, guys. The channel is growing. Like in network actually, the network is growing, guys. So we are blessed. We are aiding another LGBTI community plus a queer community, in fact. So say guys, cooler, we are blessed. Talang pizing bafuna lababantu. I think last they were lying Gusbosh or something. I see in yini bekumele ngifikile la nizocala
phela thina Sundays most of Sundays namaliki sidlala ibhola so ngama Sunday kuya ngokuthi liki la
yeah nini ngibhizi nifuna phansi phezulu ngitshela sport unamanga wena ukuthi labantu abatshela anything hayi Sithole bathi hayi what angazi ukuthi lo ahlala eduze nesibosho ngubani
mina ngihlala eduze kabo OP
wena ne yeah man, so yeah man, we are back guys. So Siakula, the network is growing. We are blessed with another show. I hope guys you're gonna come and shoot. Please. Because abantu they wanna say this is a shoot. I'm going to find out you guys gonna shoot only one episode and then disappear. Yeah, kumele nifike la ne okay socala kuwe igama omhlambe lesebholeni mokubiza bani kanjani ngikhuluma nabalandeli
Oh mina ngoskara Thole mntana yasehlathini
okay
cho
alright
mina ngishafula
Shaful ya Shaful ay yeah
strong
ne elebele
Ngima dimples la
uma dimples ay ntsako ne ay okay guys so okay the reason I wanted Ilona ne
LGBT
yes the les actually the les ne because we have Kasike stories so I wanted to know your stories as well which like what's up with you guys kwenzakalani are you here now because I was like mina abantu angihlangani nabo I was like yeah bakhona ama lesbian I was like nah why mina ngahlangana nawe labantu but no bakhona like they are there so I'm glad we end up meeting today then this is going to be like the start of everything uqala kuwe okay ngicela ukutsaka okay taxi first time you realize ukuthi I know what I'm not like other girls like what happened like how did you find out which you are a little bit different from other girls
mina ngizibonile ngise primary vele yabo because girlfriend yami yokuqala nje umadlala
yeah
it's grade 5
okay
yeah
all right
so ngithanda nale ntombazane ngithanda ukuthi ngiqawuze vele bengaka understand
ukuthi kahle like iskipani
yeah so ngizwana nale mntana le ya grade 5 grade 6
yeah
yeah azibona lapho angifani nabanye.
Wait. So uvele nje like watsala nje wathi you know what like
Bheka obvious ngishayela lo mntana lona ngithi.
Okay.
And mase ngishaya G7 ngasishani out.
Okay.
Then ayila ngibone khona.
Aski.
Ikinga ngithanda ukubusa, ngithanda ukurula.
Yeah. You're masculine. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. Yela ngibone khona ukuthi ayangipilongi.
Yeah.
Pilonga la ma cherry.
Ay. Okay, and then but Dimples, how did you find that Gucci? You're a little bit I think engathozalela ngale kubanyana banyana. Yeah.
So mina I wouldn't say big say primary because ngiyongena grade 8. So obviously ngithola nomchita.
Okay.
Angithola nomchita like you know man mojola mele umuntu ngifile phakathi ya understand. Mele like manjolana mele umfile umuntu like wena ama feelings for bewangekho.
Wait. So it was just like okay, ngithandana no Sbanbane but like akuna that thing nje.
Okay, like ngithandana naye ne.
Yeah.
But like noma ngithinta like you
Like
my feelings bewangekho at all.
damn.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Yeah. That's crazy.
Oh.
Yeah. And then you?
Okay, no fede. Ikade saseni. Ikade vele saseni. Mntwana. Bengaya vele
Okay.
Yeah. So wengihloma nama out kakhulu. Bengaphumi ukuthi benganayo impintshi nje.
Yeah.
Yeah. Uqala la kubona ukuthi hayi kahle.
Yeah. So okay, well like awuzanga like wa data like umjita or anything.
Angazi.
Ever.
Angazi.
That's crazy. For real?
Yeah, angazi. Sithi nje angazi ngathola ngiyawuthi.
Ubafaka neimpama mama.
You lie.
Uthola impama.
For real?
Yeah.
Damn, that's crazy. And then you?
Yeah, mina ne.
Yeah.
Shukuthi one day.
Yeah. I wanna know. Yeah. Yes, of course. Yeah.
Shukuthi one day ngithola. Benginanga 9 or 10. Yeah. Ayisafunde primary. Khona le store ngithola. Ngishaya ngaphakathi ngithola.
Yeah.
Obviously ngiyas approach yabona lento lezokudla.
Yeah.
Mara bengitshela nobani umjita.
Okay. I. Okay. Yeah.
Obviously ngisafuna ukubona ukuthi like wenzakala.
Yeah.
Okay, shit my vele. Umjita ngiyabona man. Hayi man. Umjita lo. Akankayile lento engifunayo. Yabo, ujakhele ezinye izinto ngithola. Ngathemba kancane cabanga sifunda nase primary.
Yeah. Wait, bana ngakumjita.
Bekamdala ngoba mina I think ngifunda grade 4. Ngifunda grade 6, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Ayivele mina ngiyaphapha yabo.
Yeah.
Vele ngithola kwinte on isijoli. Mara ngikho la. Siyaphusha vele. Ay man, yabona man, isikhathi siyavaya ngithola. Angithi I can't do this anymore.
Wait. Utshela umjita. You feel like you are like yeah.
La khona ngithola okay.
They're like, nah, man, this thing is not working for me.
Ngiyabona man. Mara mangithola nalokelo. Like khona la idea ngithola ukuthi vele ngithola. Yeah, manje ish. Mangimncabuza. Yo, they are feeling.
Yeah.
Yeah, vele ngithola. Yeah, siphushe nongwana ngithola ish. Yeah. Story sami siqale kanjalo ngithola. Yeah.
No, I hear you. Okay, there's something that I want to know, ne? There's something that I want to know to all of you guys. Because it seems like you guys started dating from like a very young, ne? So, okay, sharp, ngiyakhula. I want to know ukuthi makucala ngidevelop amabele like what are you doing? Uyafihla kwenzakalani? And another thing, when you guys start your menstruation cycle and everything, ufila kanjani, like how did you handle it? You understand? Yeah.
Hayi mina mangikhula vele bengisilenda ne. So benginganawo. Ayi bara mawaqala ukuba khona benginalento ethi ngifuna amabhandage. Yabo.
Yeah.
Ngifuna phela ngifuna ukuba out plus bengingakabi nale mindset leyo ukuthi like ngintombazana.
Yeah.
Bengingumfana.
Yeah, like out here.
Yeah, then ama period bengifihla kanjani.
No, like first time, no. I wanna know about first time first time, when you go through that stage, like
I think mina mangisakhula. Bekungasinte into engako because even the first time ngazitshela ukuthi okay iyayenzeka but abantu mina abangani bami bangisara bebayazi ukuthi angiyi because ngiqale bengenza
Wait. Oh, so you started late. Oh, okay.
So abangani bami hayi bebangama nasa school mangifika bangibuza manje nanoma ngiphethwa ama period pain bengifihla kanjani.
Yeah.
Bengirestile bengafuna abantu bazi. I think manje mase ngikhulile manje.
Yeah, you are like and then you
We must toilet before siyaphambili. We less now within.
Oh guys, kuma lesbian sihlukile.
okay.
Yabo. Kune lesbian but yambona musi.
She's more feminine.
Ntombazane kunama femme nama star. So yena ifemme thina so singama star. Yeah.
Ina mo feminine.
Yeah. Sihlukile like bakhona awuthola ukuthi umuntu mina nya date nomuntu so but mina preference yami ngifuna date.
You talking about Ilona ukuthi she's more like a feminine less and then you're more like the three of you guys are like masculine and stuff ne. Yazi okay lana like ama gay is now on classic stories are more like feminine. I'm a bottom, yeah, but I'm a top way. Our value,
I think it's an advantage you keep ebantwini. So nina niyazifihla.
Why?
Abafana bayazifihla. Mawufuna ukwazi istory dlala leke uzolithola after night.
Mara basuke bakufuna hayi ukuthi vele.
Angithi mara nina nithanda ukushaya ngathi nina. And ila majita lawa rasa kakhulu ngamagame.
But okay. But no, wait. So what you guys are saying ukuthi I top gays the after 9.
Yes.
Akhona
ukuthi else kune like top gay.
Akhona ukuthi manadre ukuthi wabone. Akhona ama top. Akhona. But most ama after 9.
Oh, silezi shaya ngapha nanga.
Ama crazy boys. Smart, yes.
Yeah, nina sifeka 9 kanti niyazi ukuthi mayithi 1:09.
And then when your story when you like mabele menstruation cycle. Mabele level. Mabele level. Yeah.
Mabele. Mna ngwafihla mabela vela kunawo nje start so. So like mabele akusinkinga kimi. And then ngasifika ngale hayi mengiqala.
Yeah. I wanna know about like your first time like yo.
Like bengathukanga like bekuyi like yabo.
Yeah. You were expecting it.
Yeah.
Plus esikoleni ngithi
ngiqala fraud. Like izinkulu bekuyi favorite kankulu. Samqale manje.
No way. You know.
Dala kimi ngambona lo.
Like manje from manje nini?
Last of year.
Unangaki?
Ana 20.
Bengina 20 last of last.
No way.
21 last of last.
So all around when abunga kuma period.
Sure.
Boy out.
No. My favorite.
I see. And then you?
Mina mabela yanki.
So the one alone. One alone to the side in that. Share stars. Yangimangaza bengithi umntana oright yangi-inbox Facebook. Athi Khotman lami bengithi umntana oright. Akhenya amabele out yami.
Mina yangikheli. If bekuya ngami ne.
But I had ukuthi niyakhona ukwashanyela kwashayocima.
Ngingakhuluma
Uma ushaya leyo kushanyelayo mawusa semncane ngithi ukuthi yeah
Quite on safe guys.
uyakwazi kwa because ilento yamabele inkinga kanjani kumele ngelilanga ngigeza la so ngihlele nomntana kasisiwami nabo basengeke so manje mina ngimfakile nginandaba naye ngeke
Wait, is it the boy again?
ntombazana
Oh, okay.
so uthi kimi Tsako kanti unamabele so ngikhaya mina ingqondo ibuye ukuthi lo mntana bekathi ngumfana sekabona ezinye izinto yona inkinga sokuthi inkinga sifake ku silent but ayona inkinga
And then you see which
mabele.
Yeah.
honestly mina
Yes.
kwami ayangibora straight ngezwe
Yeah.
uthi sometimes mangithi ngiyaphuma ngejimini ngifake isport bra
Okay. Yeah.
bese indawo wami yangithole ilawa thile akhombusele Elevate baya.
Yeah.
Aphe umfundisa wami
Yeah.
vele nje ngikhenye. Lapho ngithi mangithi ngiyagijima lawo athi. That's esiphumela emabeleni bese le eish.
Yeah.
I mean ashesha ngiphatha mina.
Eish.
Like for me.
Ukuphi usesikoleni kwenzakalani uyadlala?
Enhlanhla bengisendlini.
Okay.
Mina ngingazi like exactly ukuthi nje
Kumele
wenzakalani. Hayi bengiphethe oleli angithola yangithi TV hey mara ngiyakhinya nayo. But man
Yeah. Like that time of a month in Jegini is like
it's like a reminder boy anamalisethi ukuthi wena intombazana yeah injalo
ngiyakhinya.
So nina ncane baba gele ni.
yona ikhinga ngokuthi amantombazana mara
Lento yamabele like ukuthi after uyangena.
So wena if bokwazi bongayichange that.
from day one yeah like from day one
So nina nizibona namajita total.
Thina sizibona
yabo lento ekuchaza emantombazaneni mina ngichaza 10 times more
Mara bengivanayo sithole laba mangibalana.
Okay.
Bathini?
yeah.
Bathi kunzima ukushela intombazana on first day yombono.
yazi nayi advantage yokuba lesbian sometimes akudinga usushele kuyazenzakalela
Nathi
Like
kaze.
how?
but maybe angeke maybe siringi inkinga like amantombazane low key abo anokuthanda ama after 9 thingisho kanjani na
Wait. So you guys do have like bi who date like boys and you guys.
Yes.
So do you guys prefer bis to date or else you prefer like abantu abanjenga uMalon uMadimples? Okay. Nsako again. Okay.
for me I prefer bi because it has
Shooting now
like beside like thina sihlangana nama challenges like hambeni bafethu so ukuthi angeke uhambe ukhuluma uyahlangana nomuntu athi umuntu yifamily lesbian
Yeah.
then on a later stage there's a guy involved kanti kungcono mawudate nebi uyazi
Oh, knowing very well it's okay.
yeah no like udlushevo wazi ukuthi no
iyabulala.
so laba bethu laba samba sithole ukuthi hamba kahle
Uze ngenye.
Yaniyo
Nani mpesa.
And then when sure you prefer like lesbian stuff. Yeah.
Amajita nandaba now.
Ay mina
Senze.
You never ever like dated a guy.
angithi ngikele
Oh, one day say yes, you did it and you didn't feel it and stuff.
feelings
You prefer bi or straight?
Ngako ngagezi kuyafana ngithola kasari.
What about you?
I mean
Ntanami izinanyela bochile.
I mean shame ngazi. Mangibona isitoko vele ngithola. It is what it is.
Yes. Plus sometimes ubuya ngama preferences prefer uyahlangana ne hosh caramel.
Yeah.
So busy ngokuthi hayi mina amabhanga afuni.
Yeah. Yeah. So nina like the discrimination like us enhlangana nani like yini into in Kenya manhlangana nabantu bayisho kini into improvoke too much with yo don't call us by that name or ningayenzi lento lena. Yeah yini le like that thing nje engayifuni ngisho manhlangana nabantu ekhaya or don't say such a thing or ningayenzi le.
Yabona le Hotman ne. This one is too personal.
Yeah. Let's talk about it. Of course, we have to let people know what guys. So don't you tell them into you guys.
Yeah. Qamuka bofethu nje ababili nje.
Let's say aboteni, qamuka aboteni.
Aboteni.
Yeah. Qamuka aboteni ngapha.
Baza kanje. Ukuthi ngenze kanje ngithola.
Yeah.
Lapho ke uyasondela nemabhebeza.
Yeah.
Bathi nenzani unamabele.
Yeah.
Yangithola.
Yeah.
Mina futhi mina ngiyashesha ukuchesta ke mina.
Yeah.
Sinalento ukuthi wahamba uyiwani baby.
Exactly. Anything.
Yeah.
Yabona nethi nabanye like yo yesihlisa ngithola. Konje ibizwa ngani isilungu self what
Self esteem.
Exactly. Yabona manje bengathi no
ngathi abantu bangayiyeka that thing.
Bengayiyeka bo ngoba nathi asibajaji ukuthi bayenza.
Yeah, that's true. Ngathola ukuthi after 9 uday. Ngabo busy ukutshela ukuthi nenzani lana nina kanti uyazi ukuthi yena usikhanda nabantu abanye. Bengidlula ngapha. And then wena
Mina akaze ngahlangabezana nale nkinga. Ngivana nogel.
No, ngisho like i-challenge wena unohlangana nayo.
Yeah, sure. Ngivana nogel.
Yeah.
Akaze ne, but yenzeka like mangivana ngiwani.
Okay.
Soba naleyo out ezongishaya iflate yabo. Hayi, mazozenza i-out, egcineni ucherry, umuhle kanje, mazozenza yabo, ezikanjalo. But otherwise I.
Ne. And then you
Yo. Abachita nesting.
Yeah.
Fana naseskela. Singisoka player mina.
Okay.
Yeah. Ngigqoka njengogelo nomani.
Of course.
Angisi like start.
Yeah.
Njengogelo. Manje umjita uzongishela yabo. Imtshele mina ngithi cha angikho interested like angikho interested ngishana bogela.
Yeah.
Yo kingiqala la. Mange ngamention leyo nto le.
Yeah.
Why tshela nabogela? Awunetimo. Awunetimo.
Sola nami ngithi itimo.
Ama feelings.
Yeah.
Ama-feelings awekho real.
And then nasesikoleni bahleli basho lento athi hayi qineni. Sokuthola.
Chala vele.
Wavela wathi nizontroya. Yeah.
Ayikho lento yakho ukujona amachiri yamanje kanjani. Usazochange nje usazomeet wena. Hayibo. Like abayeke leyo nto abantu.
Hayi yazikhonte wani bafanele. Abafana bagcwele ukunyatha.
Okay.
And umuntu akayenzi tanga understand. Abengeke ngiyenze lento efana understand.
Yeah.
Yo so kuqala ama out agcwele ukunyatha. Yabo and analento ukuthi nenzanani.
Yeah, skenenza iskero. Why nenza iskero
I'm please cause it makes up. There's a lot more. I believe ukelbe angeke ahlanye nami. Yeah.
So like okay, Charlotte, there's a question then.
Yeah.
Do you think when like unamasimbu kudlula umjita?
Yeah, yabona umuntu ilivela ku mina ngiyashaya into yeah ngoba mina sayidini anyeke ngimention izinto because ngizokanda abantu ama-cons but ningi because I believe ugel bengeke asahlanye ngami
Abageli bathanda izinto.
Mara ngithi one thing about ugel angeke amhlalela umuntu ongayazi into yakhe especially if uyayazi. So cabanga mina ngidate nogel obuya kwi-out still ugel usangibekezelele because
nina ni soft.
mina ngenza Ngiyashaya. Hayi angishaya.
Yeah.
But kuya ngestory somuntu yabo.
I got you.
Mina ngiyabelievela kimi.
Yeah.
Angeke ngirase kakhulu.
Yeah.
Ngiyabelievela kimi.
Yeah.
Because of izinto engizenzile futhi.
Okay. It's getting crazier and crazier and crazier, ne? So do you all of you guys have sex toys?
Hayi.
Yeah. No. Ngidali siyaphawa. Maybe zona sezinazo. Yabo. But mina nginayo sex toy.
Oh no, sex toys.
Hayi.
Don't you think like empilweni zowadinga?
No. Mina ngizoyibhaya bafethu.
Okay, I want to know something. And then
Yanginayo mina.
yeah?
Hayi.
Mina, one thing about me, ngajoin amantombazane, but like,
Yadinga.
no, mina angizenzi lezo zinto.
Okay, Nsako. You said ukuthi wena ungayibhaya. Awunayo no.
Baya vela.
Yes.
Manje like ukuthi yabona abantu themba umuntu ngemali. Shot ukuthi ngithumela imali ibe khona le.
Letha mina ngikuthemba.
I wanna know. If you were to go and buy a sex toy, ne? What kind of a sex toy are you buying? Athi ngicala la.
Sokhuluma mina.
Yeah.
Mina into yokuqala ngathenga ama handcuff.
Okay.
Like ngithanda ukuphatha, ngithanda umuntu aluzi control.
Dominant, yeah. Dominant.
My handcuff.
Okay.
Ngithanda ama game, maybe ama dice. Ne.
What's that now?
Ama dice.
Oh, like ama dice. Okay.
Nathi siyawadlala kusini.
Yabo. Ama dice.
Thanda ukusifaka nemali gospel. Yeah.
Strap which is idildo. Strap.
Yes.
Khona leso sigcokekayo ngithi.
Yeah.
Libe lithi.
Yeah.
Yayibona.
Yeah.
Naso. But definitely ama handcuff number 1 on the list. Like ngifuna ukufasa. Umuntu uzicontrol fasting.
I hear you. And then if you were to buy sex toys, what are you buying?
Mina angakazi lutho ngalezi zinto lezo.
Oh, okay.
Maria zazi ziyakhuluma.
Okay, ngibona would you prefer let's say so qalile. Ungayithatha strap pill. Ngavuma umuntu ayuse.
Sure.
Ne? And then if you were to buy, and then you right now, go sex shop or sex whatever toys shop, immediately, we pay it. You get like a new chick on the blog. Like in the sashisa, like nano cherry, Lord. You understand? Yeah. Pacing you young. What are you buying?
I mean, like, ngapaya ama handcuffs ni.
Okay.
And then mara strap I accent things like kabanga.
Okay.
Right.
Ngibona manje bangathola ugela athi how about si introduce strap.
Yeah, obviously. Ngazama ngingasha mara no way.
I think as much as nami ngifuna strap ne akukho lula because we are data like nokele ifem.
Okay.
Maybe mina for my personal use, maybe for ama bisexual or ukele ngihlangana naye or thola ukuthi iqala lento na.
Brush ne. Brush
kanjani?
Ngizokutshela.
Yabo.
Kumele ngicela uyiqeda phela.
Okay, ibrush ne.
Yeah, mawuqala kumele uyiqeda phela. Lela sengithi.
Ibrush ugele lo singamvezi ezamajita. Khona labo gele esibabambayo esingabavezi. Yeah, siyambrasha lo.
Yabo for izinto ezinjalo but if maybe mina ngingadate ne fem straight I don't think ukuthi ngaba into engayi-introduce ku relationship so istrap ukuthi mina nje ngistory nje.
Okay, unemali iphethe yonke
into eqala nje engayibona baba bibi.
Bravo.
Esesinye athola. That's why ngithi. Yeah. Ngenza lento yenza amajini.
Usifana phela ungazi ushoda yena.
Yeah.
Maybe mina ngicabanga ukuthi shy scare nana. Ku relationship ikhona uyakwazi ukushaya imishina. Uyakwazi ukushaya ama dog style ngizonyenzela and still ngizokuguy service.
So do you guys have sex? Do you eat in imagita service sex ngakhona nabo gele? Athina siyamjulukisa siyamphendula simpekise
Oh.
Yeah.
Mara yabona one thing amantombazane aphaphile namantombazane ayakhuluma. Intombazane ngeke ihlalele into eburay. And one thing about ama-lesbian ayachamsana.
Yeah.
Ne? Yeah, because I
benza zikhulumela isicelo uzothi mina
ngamshawa julu uyijoyile na. Mina yamkhamisa maybe wena first round second round okay tehambayo. Mina maybe ku round day 1 ngenza into ezingakanani. Into zenza maybe ngama round day 2 or ngama round day.
Yeah, but like I can believe I can believe you guys because you guys are females.
Yeah, and it's obviously like Tina into yethu is to impress. If ulala no girl, uspanisi izandla, uspanisi ilimi.
Yeah.
So yonke into you must go an extra mile.
I got
So mangishaw girl, I must make sure nano mahamba kuyona. I was sleeping on a lesbian. Into hamba.
Okay, I got another question, ne? Okay, you guys bought like ama dildo, ama vibrator, all this thinging, ne? Which
even honest.
And then you got like a hair. I'm gonna make example ama dimples, ne? You have like somebody like uma dimples and everything, ne? It's fine. You're using these things on hair, whatever. Fucking yaulana njengo usho na. Yes, ne? Fine. You're a performer, ne? Plus you guys are soccer players. Ni fiti. You understand? You guys are good, ne? Performance here, top notch and everything, ne? But then she ended up saying, "Uti, okay, let me put on this strap." Are you guys taking that as well?
I mean, I need to
Whoa, okay. One by one. I wanna know. And then.
I mean, I man.
Why?
Me now.
Yeah.
Me.
She's saying we're on, like yo. Okay.
But yes, but I must ring. I'm a varambal.
Yeah.
As abantu. Unemizwa ka.
Yeah.
Very
But
me.
it's difficult. Mina I can use strap good, but mina you're not allowed to use strap because that's why you don't. I need to smart impulse. Like it's we receive.
Yeah.
We are receive.
Yes.
So mina I'm not used to receiving, and even if I approach, I don't think kuti ngavumeli dildo. No, maybe zandla.
Yeah.
Wait, but like.
Maybe start.
Wait, because Naya, she's not agreeing with yo, nothing is coming. But when I like, okay, I wanna know who's taking care of you in Israel. Muba when
I understand.
Okay.
Mina mankidla no girl, so ngiyamfila sure. Mina maybe ngibona ukuthi izandla.
Okay.
Uyamfila maybe to a point ukuthi now obviously now girl.
Okay.
Maybe nami ngibawethe.
Okay, yes.
Njengoba ngenza into engimenza yona.
Yes.
Nami ngiyaba satisfied nini. But maybe if ufuna ukuthi siye in that deep level, hayi ngama maybe asicale ngezandla. Angithi nawe phela.
But you are the one who introduced sex toys. Okay, yeah. You were saying ukuthi uba on kanjani because nothing went
phela imizwa le bafethu. And if ngiyakufika nami ngiyatheneka on. As much as ukelwa ama on, nami ngiyaba on. But maybe ukuthi sometimes ingqondo ukuthi leleva. Mina ingqondo yami ayikho ukuthi mina ingqondo yami maybe ngi-on ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi yo ngiyishaya. Ugirl nayo uya perform.
Wait. But like I feel like when we are feeling ukuthi like ngathi what she's feeling is what I'm feeling. Cause you are not really feeling
it. Even if it's not ukuthi naye uyangenza. But yabona ukumbona lose control over whatever ngiyenza.
Like she's fine.
Yeah.
For real?
Cause yabona after uyangazi umngane wami. Ngiyabuya.
Yamtshela. Yo ntwana lesangisenze kanje izona.
That's crazy. That's crazy. So you agree now?
No,
Even if like
if like
that's crazy.
that's
crazy.
Yeah,
now ntwana twin.
Nothing is coming inside. Yeah. Okay.
I don't hesitate.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Ain't no good now. That's why.
We are hesitating.
khona labo bogene
Yeah.
uthi I'm shy
Yeah.
mathule yo moment of silence
nathi amajita siya-experience imbono enkulu.
Wait.
the question
Okay. Moment of silence.
moment of silence
Yeah.
Uthi yazama khotman.
Yeah.
ngathi manje yazi
So like bafethu nene-face ane-channel.
Mina ngifuna amantombazana ahloniphe kahle.
Yeah.
Fani lento leso. Energy. Just energy.
Yeah.
Cause phela as much nesandla siyakhathala.
Yeah.
And mawubhizi ushaya umuntu umshaya ufuna naye akubuyisela i-reward.
Yeah.
And makathulile. Kuba nzima ukuthi ushaye.
So okay, uthina wenzani yambuza ukuthi yo, are you okay? Like
Mina personal mina straight talk mina ngiyakubuza.
Khambani ke.
Yeah, why mele because khona into esiyenzayo sinabantu. Daytime uSimphiwe unale energy off.
okay.
Mangiyokhuluma naye, lo angeke ashintshe energy off.
Okay.
So mina ngikhuluma nalo ngithandana, mase ngiyakumngane wami seqede kudala ukukhuluma naye ukuthi mina ngiyangikhenga.
Yeah.
At least energy
So do you guys believe ukuthi like amales ane-true love ukudlula thina amajita?
line.
kakhulu spirit
Oh, guys, we are losing. Yeah, we are
One thing
losing.
about us,
Yeah.
we understand even when we out understand ke mara ngeke understand I think
In which way? Mina ngokuya kwami njengoba ngomjita ne. I believe like ngiyakwazi ukusatisfy ugirl like over everything. For like caring for ugirl, ukumncanywa enough like ngombonisa ugirl ukuthi okay girl mina ngiyakuncanywa njalo. Mina I believe ukuthi amajita abonisa uthando ukudlula amalesi.
okay amantombazana afuna nguma lesibili.
uthi ngitshele mina ngizokutshela mina
Okay.
Sithole before pendula ne.
Okay.
Sithole ngicela ama-answer ayi-2 ne.
Alright.
From ugirl abogirl abayi-2 aba straight. No girl ngara uluqale girl.
okay mina ngizokutshela bona ama-lesbian ne ngajola ne-lesbian so ne i-lesbian lizongi-understand because nalo obviously ucherry like uzongi-understand ukuthi like
Nina
makukanje kwenzakalani no yena ngithi ugirl uzongi-understand ukuthi makukanje kwenzakalani
Uyabona njengoba hlele sithu so. Mina ngicabanga njenge-out.
Okay.
Yena ucabanga njenge-out.
Okay, from nina bayi-2
That is
bafethu
fine,
I
ku-background.
got you.
Ku-background nina bafethu nthini. Ngicabanga ngathi amales ane-true love ukudlula amajita.
yeah mababa abusive
Asizoli comment yokugcina. Bese ngiyaziphendula.
Okay. Mina ngicela uyiphendule le.
Like do you believe ukuthi amales ane-true love ukudlula amajita?
Yeah, I believe so.
Why?
Like ngingajona nomuntu lesbian yabo. So like ama-lesbian guys anothando. Like for me, I don't know.
So why now are you with the guy? Not the
I'm not
lesbian?
with a guy right now.
Yeah.
Very enjoying ntombazane wamanje.
Okay. I see that. Okay, guys. So, what's your take on you guys being labeled as like abusive guys?
Yeah.
mina ngizokuphendula
Okay.
Wena ngathi wena uke wamura umuntu.
obvious mina abantu mabangibhekile ngithola acanga ukuthi mina
Yeah.
ngila ngaphakathi yabo inhliziyo yayiphakela
Yeah, that's true. Okay.
Hotman my sister ngiphendula kuya ngithola hayi shukuthi wena uthole lo
Tolo Rambo.
uthole uramba mina ngokwami mina noma ngakufind out noma ngayizani mina esilonge ngacaba ukuthi mina ngiyakuncanya ngithola
Yeah.
ngizokulwela ngithola hayi ukuthi no kumele ngidishishane na ukuthi ngifind out ukuthi hey isibo busy nobani bani siyaringa phansi njengabantu abakhulile siyaringa 1 2 3 ngithola bese ya semove on nge-life wayethi manje sengiphakamisa isandla
And then you, what's your take on lesbian abusive? Yeah?
I mina yukela ngishayi mina. Uma ungafeye wenze layi kodwa nje.
So mina ngifuna le question ifike
ngikwazi
kuTsabo.
kushamukela.
Ayingasithole uqinisa. Mina ngeke uTsabo uTose kaSlam.
Yeah.
Ngeke ngadlula mshanga empama.
Okay.
If I like God is a fool.
Alright.
If I like God is a
Matimbo.
fool.
We are going like
One thing about I'm start like ama-babies labantu laba.
Okay.
Like ngiyavuka lokuthi like ngiyintombazane. Nami deserve ukuthuthwa njengentombazane. Ukusiyashaya.
Yeah. Ayizanga yenze.
Ayikho la.
Utsako.
mina uqala ngikho abusive phela.
Okay. Alright.
Angikho abusive. Ngiyabona njengoba bengitshothi abafana abayanyatsana.
Yeah.
And mina like I understand izinto zasemhlabeni. But once ngaphuza angifuni unginyathe. Ngiyabona ngamane zilime zitshe ngihluleke phambili. Maru awushaya.
Maybe would you fight a guy wena?
For ukele ngimncanyayo.
Mina ngithi manje Ntsako ngifika ngathi enhlokweni akhambano nasani unamabele manje ucabanga ngathi ucherry khambani nawo.
Yeah, because now she's just defending herself, manje.
Reality check like
Abusive.
must be Ntsako. Bangani bakhe ngene emkhulumeni. Ntsako ayishaya impama ngithi.
Okay, ngithanga comment. I was once in a toxic relationship.
I got you.
Kuqhuma impama. Both sides.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't label myself.
Now you are defending yourself in that situation.
Yeah, so in
Okay,
a
sorry.
relationship ebenguyo.
Yeah. It was toxic.
Actually, about define a abusive partner. Like for wena, abusive partner. Since you know as long as you lose umshaya from inside lami, you are abusive.
Angithi uyaba abusive, like uyakwazi ukabhiza umuntu emotionally.
Yeah. That's why we have emotional blackmailing and whatnot.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But physically, I'm not anyal. Maybe a good relationship, but we are working towards that and see why you give those toxic behaviors.
Nah, I got you. I got you. So, do you guys have a problem like going to church or any? Okay, and then like how are they like back to Thailand?
Naso
Before kusitana lo nyamazo sezayo nine. Like how does she dress?
Yeah. Yabona la etrasini. Ayikhinyeka kakhulu. Nokuthi sivaye ne Hotman.
Sure.
Siprotesh.
Yeah.
Mina yo la ethi abokele.
In a store to me.
Muvaye ngabashaye dress code.
Yeah.
Ike mina ke ngiyasifihla ke mina yo. Ekhozo ngibona maybe laba bangaziyo.
Yeah. Oh, you mean like faka ama dress and whatnot when you go to
Yenza so,
church? Yeah.
thathi dungi la so futhi vele lami liya ngithola. Ngifala kanje bese ngiyavanya bhampa ngalesi sikhathi. Bumping.
Yeah.
Vele sontweni mina sontweni lami vele bayacava ukuthi lena vele le out yabo. Ilokuthi sonto lami lele lakudala uthola abangakabhilive kulezi zinto lezi ukuthi ama lesbian.
They are not doing yet like a walk like that.
Mara bayacava ukuthi umntana kaSibani. So yeah. Out.
Antwana ngiyakuthemba.
Vele
Laba abanyanga bathini.
Okay, go ahead. And then you
I
have
mean,
a problem
I mean,
like when it comes to church, going to church.
Mina ke ngasonta vele mara like church la khona la yiye elosi.
Okay.
Yabo like abachachani akusilento ukuthi mawugeni
Man of the stage, like
bengishaya incaza mina straight.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So mara no why I'm so bazongitshela ngeskate so ngayi. Ngcono ngayi hlalekile.
And then in Ntsako, I'm gonna skip you now. And then
Mina anginankinga nesonto. Inkinga mina preference yami when it comes to this into. Prefer iziyoni and iziyoni yele enemthetho kakhulu. Maybe if benginesembatho sesonto.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait.
But if busha isambatho sesonto buzogcokisa bokela.
You are
Obvious cause esabogela isicishe sifana nesama out. Ukuthi esabogela bheka esama out sinama but
Ntsakuyishangana ngithi.
yeah.
Iziyoni yethu amashangana iziyoni yalaba kwaZulu almost ifana ne.
Yeah.
But then thina ama out nami ngiyaso. Okay. Ulanda nokhulumayo ne. Nami ngiyasonta. But then isambatho sechasifana. Eseni sinobugela. Eseni sinobugela.
Then into nama
Thina soqoka ibrugela emhlophe and then ijazi izoya njengokuthi wena bathi wenza
but angithi abantu kumele content kumele si understand. Mangigcoka iskate banginothisa kakhulu. But mangagcoka isambatho akusinto
angeke
so mina angisonto because mina I prefer iziyoni but bekhona isonto bengitholile bebathe bayangamukela but yabona lento kuya every Sunday yile manje ngaya January ngimbonga uNkulunkulu yeah
wait.
but skate eshimangikhulu yazi mina ngicina ukugcoka iskate ngisayenza
I was going there because bengifuna ukubuza ukuthi like beside ilona yesonto like do you guys have like escapes sure
before ntsakaphendula ne. Yazi kasla katsako lokuthi
Mina.
lisemva kwekaslam.
okay
And untsako mina bengikhapha ujika ngicheka.
okay
umuphi lo mthi
Asimenshina amagama online.
okay mangangisheka afika yenze
okay
Mina bengiyibhari ngisakhula.
yeah mangafika ngicheka bengafika yenze
Ezingisho ukuthi mina bengiyibhari. Yazi nasithole bengiziphisa kakhulu. Masifike kasla kakelwa mrasa London wazi igama lakho. Wazi voice yakho.
okay
Bephelela lapho.
all right
Mina ngokwazi kwami ngicorrect if wrong. Uyowatshola ama out.
I am out.
yeah
Ngeke date ngishaya G7 ne. Then ngishaya G8. Out nami ngeke ngize
Umention igama
But there's nothing more fun ungahamba uyombuza. Ngimze mina when it comes to that ngimsu. It's too much kabi. Yebo.
Wait.
Nothing to hide.
Then you just cut me off while I was asking which do you own any EKT or Amarok?
Yazi mina ngikho so mama lo. Mama bekahlala ngihlalisa phansi ngiyacela mntwana go skate ngizokuthengela soma
yeah I see
so mina esikoleni umama bekangafuna ukungithengela ibhuku oqala
okay
and 8 grade 10 ngifaka skate esikoleni
okay
so shithi bengifaka ngoba phela ekhuleni bengisonta already bengasumuntu umakaye esontweni umuntu esontweni so nanoma ngesontweni bekangithengele nyani igate ezithunya ngishintsha vele mina umama yazi uthatha isikhathi ukungamukela ukuthi
ngithi kahle umuntu
so shithi obvious mina ngikhule ngithi bake bangithengela ngithi yabona ama sweatpants bewawu2 bangithengela into ze-wins ama-tracksuit ukuthi angithi ungathi amabhulu ama-out so mina bengihlezi ngigcoke lezi zinto lezi umama azazifihla ngigcoke lezi zinto angincenge
you are like yo this is the only track that I have
yeah cause yabona ama-school ama-challenges abhaya yabo so ukuthi nje kumele ulibele uziyele ezinye izinto zislide for the sake ukuthi nawo uhile enhlizweni yabo so manje mina iskate yabe ngisigcoka because of you already but after
right now
10,
you don't have
never because nano itime abashonile bengidlala incaza yabo gogo mabafika awumtshela bathi afake iskate ngeke
Imasithole before ayakuthi uNtsako sisase kule ndaba zomndeni wakhe ukuthi bebathi ambathe nami like ibe kanjani for ukuthi umndeni wakho understand for mina sengi out mina no benjani the first time
mina first time
mababona ukuthi
sonta ngisonta ngikambe bangisonta maybe mangiyenza grade 8 ila angithi umuntu mawukhulu uyahlakanipha mangiyenza grade 8 ila nje already lamithi hayi yabo so obvious bengisonta utshela uma mfundisi weze endlini ngeke ngilikhohlele la
damn okay
it's obvious mina mangikhula khona vente yenzeka yabo but into engiyeli makafika lapho khona yathini why so yangithethisa
Oh, as if like uzele ukuthi she wanna cure demon or something. Because babize umamfundisi ngithi yeah.
Umama umamfundisi ubaba. Yabo.
Okay.
So like why you so wawenza into ezikanje yabo because abantu bayenza into ezikanje because of 1 2 3.
Okay.
Mangakuvalela manje nendoda ubani ozophuma indoda nana ngiyabona
Yeah.
but cause vele mina hayi uma ukhulu banenkani vele into enzakalayo vele ngayilwisa umama wanceka le ndlela ancinye ngayo but abanqobanga cause even esonteni angithi eziyoni kunalento le ukuthi maybe backgroundisa
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Ngiyabona kathi.
Mina bengisontezini ngiyazi le.
So bangroundisa shoot lelanga mina bengumuntu othi mangifika esonteni makaqeda ukuthandazela abantwana
Bakushaya.
ngiyaphuma ngihambe ngendlini lela langa mangithi ngiyahamba bangibambe bangibuyisa
And manje bathi yeah, shoot liyabaleka le demon yeah.
bangiroundisa mina sonteni ngifike ngimeso angazi nani
Ishaphi nale?
mara bequlwa mara mina ngoba bekunalento ukuthi ngigcoka iskate ngenkani
Yeah.
ngifike ngimeso hayi lelanga lelana umama bekabamba isikhiya ukuthi singadoji ngabathandazelo umntana ngilanda isikhiya kumama ngithi ngiyaphuma bangidonsa bangiroundisa
Yeah.
bangiroundisa so obvious profit saphuma athi umntana mele aye emanzini angithi yabona
Yeah.
kufuneka amadoda anamandla ngoba lo mntana idimone lemngenile linamandla izobalisa shuthi bekumele ngiyemanzini bayongenzisa le nto le yabe bangenza yona lapho ukuthi idimone iphume lambe namandla namhlanje Crotman ubheka
Alikophuli.
bheka even amatsong nalayile yokukhomba or khomba yeah ngishayile
Ayisizanga.
with the hope ukuthi baba mangibuye ngizobuya ngigcoka igate nana lento ifana nokubuya entabeni ukuthi awukwazi ukutshela umuntu ongakazi ayi ngambile mina lapha ngihlalile lapha bheka ngabuye bheka
Still. And then you
Nobufakazi.
owning igate.
I mean, as much as githi ne futhi time alami kakhulu benganqangi le ama lesbian vele like ama gay ayincanga nje izonda nje lento le kodwa nje mina akazi ngaba neskate ngithe ngene high school ngishaya incaza ngaze ngayoqeda I think grade 7 ngishayiwe ama tunic light kuphela from lapho ngaze ngangena high school ngashaya matric ngaqeda akaze ngafaka incaza.
Then even now on your wardrobe.
So like abazali baba nayo lento wena for ugele.
Obviously time alami obviously beka nayo la lenye ukuthi noma ngizobha impahla yabo.
But I thought ukuthi fathers understand so much in such a way ukuthi yeah. When it comes to
wena would you allow your son ukuthi abe stubborn?
Well, the choice yeah.
I think
At the end of the day,
abantu abesilisa ne
yeah.
igay and accept but
It's easy. But uzwile ukuthi ngitheni naye lona ubhizi uchange izinto. I just said ukuthi I thought ukuthi men understand very well when it's come to ama lesbian because you feel ngathi you are protected from boys because I was a boy. You understand? It's just that lona ubhizi understand.
I'm pure bad. You don't understand. So Nina, like you guys, like Nina inhliziyo ezibolile so to say. Abantu besilisa abaninhliziyo zabo because even nami nje ngisekasi ngizidlalela nje umuntu wami ukhona uzothi ngamantombazane.
Nenzani?
Okay, ningenaphi kusenza?
Singenaphi?
Mushap.
Angithi wena unecherry yakho ubani obulisa necherry yakho okay if uNkulunkulu ujaja ama lesbian who said abantu aba straight bamsulwa kuye abantu aba straight they do izinto ezidethi ukudlula thina so lezo zinto lezo sikwenza msulwa cause wena you straight and you date the other gender never Hlonipheni nje into engicela ebantwini futhi especially maybe ama viewers maybe analento
Batshele ba subscribe. Batshele ba
subscribe. Notification button. Na next time so kuya nezinkulu ezishisa lezi zincane. Ma highlights.
I don't know. Can you please finish up my question so we can close because I'm burning.
Putting a cake.
Yeah?
Putting a
Yeah, like cake.
Mina ma-oledi angiboleki iskate man. That's why. I think 3 years back, I ngithenge the rock. Kuthi simatch mina naye.
Yeah.
manje umoledi beyaphumechisa
Ngithenge the rock ngithola ngitsapha. Red cabanga. Yabona nginyama kanjani? Dark.
Yeah.
Shukuthi mina vele mina ngithanda umuntu ongifostayo ukuthi ngiqoke into.
Yeah.
Vele it's a must ngoba mina nami khona into engifunayo kuyo ma-oledi. Sivaye athi shoot ithombe. Yabo shoot vele ya bede ona ngiposte. Mina phela yabona ngithi nje futhi manje angifuni bangizwe kakhulu la.
Yeah, Jerry Tala, yeah.
Yabona ne mina ne ma-oledi ungasethile.
Yeah.
Mara kuye ngisase yini ugele.
Yeah.
Sase ugele
so
ma-oledi.
before sivala sifene how do you deal with the situation ukuthi endlini bazogela but wena uzibona umjita njengomzila athi uma-oledi umbona awugela
Yeah,
Okay.
yena uzibona out wena udila kanjani naleyo situation
Mina no Ndlisi ngiyinhloko yomuzi.
Okay, guys. In order. What's the name of the show?
Abafana be-technology.
Abafana Technology, guys, are coming in, guys. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, press notification bell, guys. It can you feel it, guys.
Yeah.
So you will know more about Ama Lesbian, what's going on the other side. Today we just scratched the surface, as we didn't even go deep. Then if you wanna be their guest, like maybe you are lesbian, you are sabu pumela ngaphandle, or you know ekhaya bazothini kanjani come through uzozwa like ama experience yabo nan ukuthi nawo khona ukuthi uba free njengabonsako. They've been like fighting in a family, from a church, from esikolweni, from ekasi, just to survive ekasi nje. So guys, don't forget subscribe, guys. If ever nifuna ama question and funa ukubabuza as ama lesbian, or it's either maybe you are a masculine one or you are a feminine one, you want to ask anything, guys, please leave a comment, guys. Don't forget subscribe. We're out.
bafethu